Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Genesis GV80? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse panel. This panel houses various fuses and relays that protect and control essential electrical components of the vehicle. Inside the fuse or relay box cover, you'll find a label detailing the fuse and relay names along with their respective ratings. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine fuse panel powers and protects key systems like the alternator, cooling fan, brakes, and headlights. Instrument panel fuse box. The driver's side interior fuse box protects interior systems like power windows, locks, seats, lighting, and infotainment by interrupting power during electrical faults. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification. The fuse box helps maintain the proper operation of these features by preventing damage from electrical overloads. Rear compartment fuse box. It protects and distributes power to electrical components in the rear of the vehicle, including the rear lights, power trunk release, rear sensors, and sometimes the audio system or other trunk-mounted electronics. Rear compartment fuse box. Distributes power and protects circuits for rear systems like lights, power liftgate, and charging ports. It ensures safe and efficient operation of rear-end electrical components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.